In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Apple Maps widget location on iPhone. If you want your Apple Maps widget front and center where it's most useful, this quick walkthrough will get you set up and let you position it exactly where you like on your home screen. First, find the Apple Maps app on your home screen. Press and hold the Maps icon until you feel a slight vibration and see options appear. Keep your press gentle. If the app starts to wiggle or a small menu pops up, you're in the right place. This long press puts you just a tap away from editing your layout. Next, look to the top left corner and tap Edit. This opens your home screen's editing mode so you can add and arrange widgets. If you already see your icons wiggling, you're there. Now tap Add Widget. This opens the widget gallery where you can browse everything available. The gallery can be a bit crowded, so let's go straight to what we need. In the search bar at the top, type Maps. You'll see Apple Maps appear with several widget styles. These show glanceable information like nearby places or your current location. Choose the layout that fits your needs, small to save space, medium for a bit more info, or large if you want the most detail. You can preview how each size will look right on your home screen. When you've picked the one you want, tap Add Widget. The widget will land on your home screen in edit mode, which means you can immediately place it where you want. Drag it to your preferred spot and let other apps or widgets shift around it. If your home screen is full, sliding it to the edge will move it to another page. Aim for a position that makes sense for how you use maps, like near the top for quick access. If the first layout doesn't feel right, you can always repeat this process to pick a different size. Some widgets also support configuration after placing. If you see an edit widget option when you press and hold the new widget, you can fine tune what it shows. When you're happy with the location, close edit mode to lock everything in. That's it, your Apple Maps widget is added and positioned exactly where you want it, ready to help you get where you're going faster.